Hello, this is the Warlock Kadash, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to tie your hair into a bun. First, you take your hair tie, you place it around your wrist. Next, you take your hair, get it all together. Next, you take the bun, place it on one side of the hair. Next, you take the other side of the bun, and you put it on the other side. Grab the hairband, bring it around, make sure you get only half the hair, twist it, bring it back around, and then you can do it one more time for extra security. And there you have it. This is how you tie your hair into a bun. If you liked this video, please make sure to give it a like, and please subscribe to my channel if you like more buns.